excited because I just came home from school and my mom tricked me. And I have kanani. So here is the catalog. Oh, cute bear.
Oh my God.
It's kanani! Oh my God! Kanani! Oh my God! Oh my God! She's so cute!
I want open.
Ah,
I got it.
here's a book.
I got a necklace.
Look, kanani.
I got a necklace.
And here's her beautiful necklace. Ah. And here is her. Oh my God!
And I never
Oh
get
my
prize. I never get prize.
You always get a prize.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh
She's so adorable. Mom, can you take her out of the box? No, hold the camera.
Okay, well, I'm going to say goodbye and we'll take her out of the box.
Okay.